Welcome to Forex Success. This is a team of expert traders who came together to provide you the best strategies to make money. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn on notification so you won't miss any update.
What's up, people? What's up, fam? What's up, guys? This is a live trading, and this is crash 1000. So this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this red moving average to touch this green line. I'm waiting for this red moving average to touch this green line because it's gonna spike. Yeah, it's gonna spike. It's gonna spike. But I'm also suspecting it to spike at this resistance. Though it hasn't touched this line, but it's coming closer. So once it touches this line, I'm going to place a sell. Just as we can see in all the trades, as you can see, once the red moving average cross above, it's a sell. You see these guys, it crossed here, it gave us a sell, it crossed here, spike. Again at this point it crossed, it gave us spike, it crossed, and you see the spike, right? It crossed, spike, crossed, spike, it crossed here, spike. So this is how this strategy works. It crossed here, spike. Again, it crossed here, spike. It crossed here, spike. It's a spike catching strategy. So once this red line touches this green line, I'm going to place a buy. I'm going to place a sell. Yeah, I'm going to place a sell once it crosses. So I'm waiting for it to cross. Guys, you're going to see this, that this strategy works. So each time the red moving average cross this green line, we'll get a spike. Yeah, we'll get a spike. As it crossed, we'll get a spike. It crossed, we'll get a spike. Okay, that's how it is, guys. This is crash 1000. So let's see this 5-minute time frame. So as we can see, this 5-minute time frame, checking for the support and resistance. I think if we use price action, considering the support it has broken through, so it's either we are getting this the market will have to consolidate from this resistance or this. So whichever spike should be either at this point or this point or this point, though it might also be from anywhere. So let's check out the 15-minute. Wow, from the 15-minute we could get the spike maybe from this point, but at most this point. So let's go back to the 1 minute. So guys, it just crossed. So what we do now that it crossed, so I want to show you something, guys. Most times I do enter this trade when it crossed at this point. As you can see, it has crossed. When I push the screen to this side, it shows that it crossed, but bringing it towards this side, it shows it hasn't crossed, right? So most times I do wait for it to cross at the end of the screen. sorry, we are at the end of the screen at this point. I do wait for it to cross at the end of the screen, but at the middle of the screen it has crossed. So let's wait for it to cross at this point of the screen. That's at the beginning of the screen. This is the beginning or at the end of the screen. So that's it, guys.
It never bothered me. I never stop because I bust my ass for this place. That's why I am who I am. And you're gonna come out here.
If you check out the 15-minute time frame, you'll find out that this strategy also works for 15-minute time frame. Just like, as you can see, crossing above, when the red moving average cross above, it sells, and then when it crosses below, it buys. Like here, it crosses below at this point, it buys. It crosses above, it sells, then below buy. You see, guys, the strategy also works for 15-minute time frame. As you can see, it crossed above, it's a sell, and it crossed below, it's a buy. So as you can see now, checking this out, this 15-minute time frame is giving us a buy. All the green lines are pointing upwards, and the red moving average crossed below, which indicates a buy. But for the 5-minute time frame, is also telling us, is also indicating a buy. You see, guys, it's also indicating a buy. Let's see 30 minutes. 30 minutes also indicating a buy. Okay, it's also indicating a buy. So, but we are expecting a spike from the 1-minute time frame. 5 minutes, 1 minute. So guys, we're still waiting for it to cross at this point. As you can see, it has crossed at this from this point. So if I had placed this trade, we'll still have to be waiting. So that's why I do normally enter when it crosses at the end of the screen. See, guys, so very soon I'm going to enter this market. Yeah, very soon I'll enter this market. So from the 15 minutes, we already built 2 candles. It has built 2 candles. So I think I should enter this market right now since it's at a resistance level. It doesn't cross. So let me place a sell right now, guys. Yeah, I placed a sell. Right now. Okay. So guys, this is my sell position. Yeah, guys, you can see I placed a sell. Yeah, the sell position is at 12243.94. So that's the position I sold this market. As you can see, it's already on loss of 0.17, loss of 17 cents right now. So though if you watch, it hasn't crossed from this point. That I was saying that I normally place my sell when the red moving average touch this green line at the end of this screen, at this point, not at this point. not at this point. From this point it has crossed, but I leave it to this point before I enter this market. So my stop loss for any trade is not more than 12 candles. I only risk 12 candles. If it doesn't spike, then I close my trade. But for this it's going to spike. Yeah, it's going to spike. It's going to spike. Of course it's going to spike. So we're still waiting for the spike. Still waiting for the spike. So guys, if we have to wait, I think this video is going to be longer than expected. So I'll just pause this video and play it back.
Okay guys, yeah, we got the spike. So guys, as you can see, we got the spike. Yeah, so you see, we got the spike. This was when it touched, when the red moving average crossed this green line, so it spiked, guys. So that is it. It spiked, as you can see. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to this channel to always be updated on new strategy, so you won't miss any strategy. That's right guys, subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you'll be notified each time we drop a new strategy. Forex success always got you covered. New strategies to make money. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. So guys, I believe you all know the setup. It's just the average directional movement index, which you set the way I set mine. This period 50, the star is 2 pixel, 2 pixel, and 2 pixel for the DI, the positive DI and the negative DI. That is the settings. Then the levels are 0, 5, 10, 20, 35, 0 and 0, just the way you see it on the screen now. And then the next one is the moving average, period 10 method, simple, apply to close, and 4 pixel also. Market facilitation index tick, the volume is tick, the line width is 4 pixel, just as you see on my screen. Then you set your colors like this, guys. So the commodity China index, period 4, typical price is apply to typical price. The star is 2 pixel and the levels is positive, negative 100 and positive 100. That's minus 100 and 100. So that's it guys, you click done. So that is the settings guys. I believe every one of us can set it. So this is how we trade and make money. So guys, don't forget to like this video and hit the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on notifications so you'll be notified each time I post a new strategy. Thanks once again guys for watching.